Hey, CROCK-tober fans, the moment you've all been waiting for has finally arrived. I'm excited to finally announce the winner of our CROCK-tober giveaway will be revealed today. But first, wow, what a fantastic month it's been. I just want to give a huge thank you to each and every one of you for joining me on this CROCK-tober journey. From the recipes to the laughs, giveaways, and all the crockpot fun in between, it's been a joy to connect with all of you. I couldn't have done it without your incredible support and passion for all things slow cooking. But without further ado, let's get to the big announcement. The winner of the Crocktober giveaway is, could it be you? All right, my friends, we're going to go ahead and start. Let's go ahead over to our video, our crockpot giveaway. We're going to copy our link. Now let's head back, paste it in. I'm going to filter out duplicate users. One winner. We'll show names. Okay, we have 13 unique comments. Now we're going to go head down. I just want to say thank you to everyone that joined in on this little giveaway. Thank you all for all your support. So I want to wish everyone good luck. And now let's go ahead and pick our winner. And the winner is Diane Chapman. You are our winner. I will be reaching out to you very shortly. Congratulations. And friends, keep watching because I have plenty more giveaways coming up. Once again, congratulations, Diane. I will be reaching out to you on the original video where I asked everyone to make a comment. You have 30 days to get back to me once I reach out to you. Congratulations. Here's to many more recipes, laughs, and more meals together. Thank you again for being a part of this wonderful community. Happy cooking, and I'll see you all soon. Bye.